everyone.
My name is Alison.
And my name is Martha.
Today our class will show 3 stories we have studied over the past few months as postdoc.
Each story has told us many things, not just English. We have learned about solving problems, working together, and being good leaders.
So let's welcome our first group, Jess, Dylan, and Joe.
Hello, our story is Working with Others by Robin Nelson. The theme is how to solve problems and disagreements. We learn that people can listen to each other and share ideas.
In the story, the author says that children argue or want the same things. However, they can solve problems by taking turns and speaking kindly.
This story shows that working together makes life easier. We learned that teamwork helps us be friends and can let us achieve more.
Now, let's welcome our next group to the stage, Leah and Carol.